I thought I could share something what the company or organization called Software Circle India is all about and what it intends to do around the world. For that, first of all, we must understand a modern day term called as blogging. What is blogging? Blogging is the activity of using blogs to market and position organizations around the world. The advantage of this word called blogging, if there's a question asked, who was the first man in the world to create the word blogging? It is me, Mr. P. O. Subhash from Bangalore, India. I don't think any pundits of marketing anywhere so far have tried to coin a phrase that would adequately explain almost in toto the power of this medium called blogs, where I like to say the pen is mightier than the world. It's not pen is not mightier than the sword. It is mightier than the world. Blogs have got enormous power to position people, communities, organizations, and companies around the world. And our aim at Software Circle India is to improve the world GDP by 2 or 3% over the next 10 or 15 years through this activity called blogging. Software Circle India is a company d- d- basically founded by me and my brother P.O. Sunil. P.O. Sunil is a M.Tech in computer science and engineering with many, many years of experience in programming in many parts of the world. What Software Circle India does now is it is into development of educational software, software development, and also in the activity of digital marketing through blogging. Having made such a statement, what is the power of a blog? I don't know if it can be quantified in a way that a layman can understand. Definitely, it must be. My effort is to quantify that in a way in which layman can understand. First of all, you must understand what's the difference between blogs and websites. Websites are something that a person searches on in the world on demand. On demand is when he's specifically looking for something. And the opposite of by demand is by default. By default, no one goes into a website per se. Unlike blogs, where people go into a blog site by default when they are searching for something somewhere else, they'll land up entering into a blog, and depending upon what is written on the blog, they're constructively influenced by what is written in the blog. A blog can have in it within its ambit uh, audio, video, and written text, and also can be hyperlinked to various other kinds of websites from within the blog. So it is a very highly powerful logical solution in the area of digital marketing, which is to be tapped to a fullest extent, and largely is driven by the ability of the person who is managing and running that blog to write crisp and correct and logically well oriented information. Our long term plan at Software Circle India is to open one office in every city of the world so that we can use our blog bangalore1965.blogspot.com to largely position small scale, medium scale, and to a lesser extent larger industrial corporations or services, or very simply said, businesses. The blog largely, what we are doing largely tries to take huge advantage of the power of the internet, which goes into every nook and corner of the world for the betterment of the world and the overall improvement of international GDP. This blog can be put to use. Now, anyone who would like to participate in this kind of an event can get in touch with me. But ultimately, what is our modus operandi or what is our niche, uh, or what is our key activity? The blog is called Bangalore City, but eventually, under Bangalore City, as a sub city, we will launch uh, various cities of the world. For example, I am planning to, by launching sister concerns around the world. In Sri Lanka, we will have Software Circle Lanka, and the company would work under Bangalore City, say any city in Sri Lanka, like Colombo City. From now on, I'll try to tell you exactly what is our focus. Suppose I have an office in Colombo City. Just take a simple city an example. Two or three staff working in Colombo City will scan the entire industrial and business landscape of Colombo, in and around Colombo, talk to small scale and medium scale industries who have got a unique, not it's a unique selling proposition, who have got a unique value proposition or a unique technical proposition or a unique character proposition. Please, you'll understand what I'm saying on my blog, Bangalore City. If you will search for AS Carbonite Traders, I've tried to explain, I've tried to say exactly what a simple blog site for a small scale industry would look like. Let's go again to the Colombo example. The three staff must visit small scale industries, talk to the owner, understand what that plant is all about, write on the blog. The writing work will be done by me. Say a 4 or 5 paragraphs which crisply communicates the unique character proposition of the organization, combined with the unique technical proposition and unique value proposition. I'm not using the word unique sales proposition at all. Anyway, these three things will combine into sales. And I have this launched around all the a similar thing happened at all the cities in the world. Now, this is what Software Circle India is all about. Our aim is to improve the world GDP by 3-4% by making a huge written framework on the internet, which will be randomly searched by default by prospective users and current users for the large scale benefit of the persons who are running these organizations, for Software Circle India, the parent institution, and also for the welfare of the staff and many other stakeholders who inadvertently or by get into this process by itself. So this is what I wanted to tell about Software Circle India. Thank you very much.